potential coaching client found you, filled out your inquiry form, and they were ready to start, but they heard nothing back for 12 hours. So they signed up with someone else. This happens every single day to coaches who are doing everything right except one thing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a fully automated coaching onboarding workflow using N8N GoHighLevel. The moment someone fills out your inquiry form, this workflow qualifies their coaching fit with AI, creates their contact in GoHighLevel, logs everything in Airtable, and sends them a welcome email that references their specific challenge and goal, all under 90 seconds automatically, 24 hours a day. So this is the same N8N plus GoHighLevel stack which we built for law firms in the last video. If you watch that, you will recognize this immediately. Running on self-hosted N8N, so your client's personal data stays on your own server. So let's have a look at this automation. This is the form which we have created in HighLevel. And once someone is going to fill up this form, it's going to call this N8N using the webhook. And then it's going to fill up this table with all the information about the client. So let's take a look at the demo. Let's fill up this form. So we can enter a name, last name, and phone number, and we can enter email. Let's put any email here. And then we have put in the option, what type of coaching are you looking for? And let's select executive coaching. What's the biggest challenge right now? Need to grow my business using AI. What does success looks like for you in 90 days? Achieve a goal of $50,000 per month from my business. And then we have the option for how did you find us? So let's select that, social media. And let's do one thing. Let's run this. This is all going to be automatic, but for this video purpose, I'm just doing it this way. And it's going to call up this webhook. So yeah, the webhook has been captured, as you can see here. So it has captured all the information. And now let's have a look at the next is the AI agent, which we have set up. And let's have a look at this AI agent. We have defined a user prompt and a system prompt. And the user prompt says that you're a new coaching inquiry form from GoHighLevel. And we are giving out the inputs of name, email, coaching type, selected, biggest challenge, and 90-day success goal. And what we are asking here is to qualify this inquiry and return the structured output. And this is the system prompt, so which says you are a lead qualification AI for coaching practice, analyze the prospect's inquiry and return a structured qualification output. And you can probably take a snapshot and copy this prompt for yourself. And let's run this. And it's going to give us a structured output. So this is the output which we have received. And in the next step in this code node, we are going to clean up this output. So again, I just use Claude to generate this code. You don't need to know coding for this. Let's execute it. And then it has given us these outputs for the fit score, the coaching category, the AI summary, and the recommended action. And then we have the next node, which is the HTTP request node, where the method is put. And this node is going to create a contact in HighLevel for us. So let's run this. And it should have created a contact in HighLevel. Let's just refresh. See, it has created this entry in HighLevel for us. So the client is now in our HighLevel system, in our CRM. And the next node is to create a record in here. We have connected our Air, and we have selected the base and the table. And we have mapped all these values from here to this particular node. And then we run this. So it should have created an entry in Airtable, and you can see the entry has been created. Okay. Now the next is another AI agent, and that is going to write us an email for us. Here we are again providing the values for the first name, the coaching type, the challenge, the goal, the fit category, the fit score, and the category. And we are asking it to write a welcome email. And then this is the system prompt to write that particular email for us. And then we execute it. So this is the email which it has written. And let's also run the last node. Okay. Now I should have received an email, and the email has been sent on the email which was captured in the form. So let's have a look at the email again. So it says, thank you for reaching out. We can read it like this or even in the JSON. Thank you for reaching out and sharing your challenge of growing your business with using AI. It's clear how important hitting your goal of $50,000 per month within the next 90 days. And I'm really glad to took this step. Your inquiry has been received, and your coach will personally connect with you within the next few hours to explore. I'm looking forward. So yeah, this is the email which it has generated, and it has been sent to the person who has filled up this form. So that's the complete coaching onboard automation using GoHighLevel form trigger, AI qualification with AI, contact creation in GoHighLevel, Airtable log, and a personalized welcome email running 24/7 on self-hosted N8N without you touching it. So if you have any questions about adapting this for your coaching practice, there is a link in the description of this video where you can book a call with me. Or if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments down below, and I read all of them. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.